Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to force your computer to use NVIDIA GPU. Now what you want to do, just simply right click on your Windows key or your Windows logo on your taskbar and go to your settings. Now from here guys, on the left hand side you want to go ahead and click on system, and then from here click on display. From here guys, you want to scroll all the way down under the related settings and you want to click on graphics. From here, click on the advanced graphic settings and ensure that your hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is currently turned on. If it's off, ensure that you turn this on because that's what is required. Now, all you have to do now is once you scroll down, you will find your applications. You might not find all your applications that are here, but whatever application that you want to use this, you want to go ahead and expand them and select them. So let's take the camera as an example. If I want to use camera, I can go ahead and I can expand this, and then from here you want to change it to the high performance NVIDIA GeForce. Right, so I want to go ahead and choose that. Now if you want to add for like a specific application on your PC, how you go about doing that, just simply click and add your desktop applications, or it can even be applications from the App Store. So you can simply click on the App Store and you can find those applications as well. Scroll down and you can do that. So let's say I wanted to use, for example, WhatsApp. I can add the WhatsApp there, and as you can see, the WhatsApp is in the list, and I can expand this and I can basically select it, right? So that's how I can easily do that. Now, if it's a different applications on your PC, that could be a video game, it could be whatever, all you have to do is just simply click on add desktop applications, and from here you want to locate your C drive. So open up your C drive, then click on the program files, which is the x86, open that, and you want to go ahead and look for the application file that you want to use. So that could be anything. So let's say I want to take Internet Explorer as an example. I can go ahead and I can look for the Explorer file or the application file. You will see the application file and you want to go ahead and use it. So you want to search within the different folders and find that file that you need to use so that you can use it. This is a brand new setup PC, so I don't have a lot of applications here, but you get a general idea. It could be whichever games, it could be whatever you have on your PC. You can go ahead and you can search for it. If you're not able to find your applications in the x86 folder, just simply go ahead and go to their program files. You might find a lot more applications installed there because that's where most of your applications will be anyway. So you want to scroll through as well and look if you find those different applications. So go through, look for it. For example, this is Google Chrome. I go to program files, I open up Google Chrome, and then I go to applications and I find the Chrome. So you want to look for the application file. Once you click on it, just simply click on add, and you will see that it add the application. And here you can see Google Chrome is added. Expand that, select it, and choose the high performance. And as you can see in this case, Google Chrome will now use the high performance of the NVIDIA GeForce FX, right? So that's it guys. That's how you go ahead and force your computer to use NVIDIA GPU on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 or whichever Windows you're currently using PC. Very easy and very simple.